Many factors affect demand. Let's imagine we owns a supermarket and Mr. Ben is our customer. If price of a orange is rupees 15 per piece, Mr. Ben finds it expensive, so he buy only 2 pieces of orange. When price reduces to rupees 10, he finds it's more affordable and cheaper. So he buy more oranges this time, say 5 pieces. This indicate when price reduces, demand of the product increases. Another factor that affect demand is taste and preference. One day, Mr. Ben saw on television that lemons are good source of vitamin C and good for health. All of a sudden, he wants to buy more lemons. This indicate when taste and preference shift towards lemon, its demand increases. For more such content and to learn economics and business studies in easy way, join 10 plus 2 commerce coaching classes. For inquiry, call on 928 418 5249. Limited admissions only.